character in an app called Scratch. So let me show you how to do it. And plus, if you guess what I know how to enter it. Basically, you can just install it, or you can just do what I say, like go to Google, which is the shortcut. I'm gonna go to Google and go Scratch 3. Click here, and you should get somewhat like this. So I clicked on like this and click create. So far you should get a result like this. Now what the thing is, we're not gonna use this cat for animating. We're gonna use some animal. So even though the cat is an animal, we're gonna use a bear. Alright, for a bear, we'll just click on this from the sprite option here. Okay, and of course we need a backdrop. Like, where does it even live? So let's go to the backdrop options. Let's say it lives in a jungle. As everybody know, bears live in jungle as they're wild animals. Let's go to jungle. So we want the bear to be here, as you know, it can't just fly anywhere. So now I want to give a task to this, like it has to move here to here. How does it do that? So the thing is, here are some blocks. As I told you, this Scratch is actually a programming language where it's really easy to make. It's an easy way for making animated stories, games, etc., etc. So as you can see, any programming language, you get an idea of Python and Java. So they're like writing commands and etc. But this is a little bit different. This is like just like fitting blocks together to form together a coding script. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's do it. Let's go to these are actually the category palettes where looks has different types of blocks. So like a specific way of blocking, for example. Let's go for events. Let's click the flag clicked because we need to start this thing, we must click this so that it will launch. So if I click here, it doesn't even happen anything because we just didn't even code. Let's click this, and then we're gonna go for the control and repeat, not 10, but it's gonna be 20. So 20 is okay. We don't need that much. Right, 20 is enough. And then we're gonna go for the motion area where we're gonna get this move 10 steps. And we don't actually need to move 10 steps, so we're gonna type 30. Okay, let's keep it here. And of course, we also need it to move somehow. We need the body to move. So if you do like this, the code will go somewhat like this, which is actually a problem because how does bear even go like that? It should, shake its body, like some body movement should be, right? So that's what we go for looks. Looks is the where we're gonna get the next costume. By telling the word costume, you may get a doubt of what kind of costume it is. So basically, in this programming language, there are some different words for different meanings. For example, character. Character is like but in this programming language, character is called as a sprite. You may know it's a cool trick, but it's said like that. And costumes is basically the movement scenes of a character. So I'm gonna just show you. See, this movement shows like this, and this shows like this, and this shows like this. You know that slightly changes are happening. Whatever, let's go to the code now. As we know, we don't want this body movement to go super speed, like that's why we're gonna go for control again. And after we go to control, we don't need just 1 second because that's too much. So something like 0.5 could work. Yep. Alright, 0.5 is enough. If the 0.5 is enough, and let's start. So you want a big screen here, you want a bigger screen to appear on this. So it's an easy way. There's an easy way to do that. You can just click over here, and as it's told here, full screen control. Just click on it, and you'll get zoomed to a bigger screen. So let's click the flag. Right, so far and so good. Yep, the code is working. Yep, so good, so good. Oh yeah, that means it's a success, guys. We finally did a animation here. You can also make one. You can just again watch my video again, and hope you like the video. And that's all for today's video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys. And I'll